Jim Bauer with PuroClean Restoration Specialists here at our facility in Frisco, Texas. And we're really excited to be celebrating our 10th year in business. Time has just flown by, and we're a family-owned, family-operated company. And as we have grown and evolved over 10 years, we have strived to create a family environment. So we are so fortunate to have a team with tenure and longevity. We've got more than half of our team has been with us for over 5 years, and several of our folks have been with us for approaching 7 years. So with that type of longevity, it just gives us a different approach to the business. Our experience level, our familiarity with the work that we perform, the way that we work together, the expectations that we set, the ultimate quality of the work that we deliver for our customers goes up. And that really, it's a huge part of what we are. When we started out, we wanted to hire people that we would be comfortable having in our own home. And that's really been our model for hiring and how we've trained. And we recognize that when folks call us, it is not because they're having a good day. In fact, they could be having one of the worst days of their life. And so when our guys arrive, they're not only bringing their years of experience and all of the different certifications and licenses and the training experiences that we've given them, but they're also bringing just an incredible level of empathy and what we call the softer side of restoration, that they understand how to set expectations and how to calm people's anxieties and how to reassure them and give them the confidence moving forward as the project starts, that we're going to take great care of them. If necessary, we're going to interact with their insurance carrier, and that ultimately there'll be a great outcome.